I'll introduce yourself to you. I'll introduce yourself to yourself now. Listen. Then you will understand from the new angle the life, purpose, right, wrong, good, bad, morality, immorality, all that. You can consider this as caricature of all of us put together. Listen, what all the belief you have about you, inside you, not desires, belief, all the beliefs you have about you inside you is inner image. How many of you are able to very clearly see your desire is different, your belief is different? And did not look into this gap all this time? Raise your hand. Your belief, not desire. The ideas you believe as you inside you is inner image. The ideas you express and show to others strongly is outer image. Usually it is done through the mouth, means speaking, outer image. Listen. This you don't have to take notes. Listen. You will be given an assignment sheet. The ideas you believe about you inside you is inner image. The ideas you project about you to others, you project for various people in a various way. Ravana had only 10 face, you have 200 face. Not to your father one face, to your mother one face, and to your brother one face, to your spouse another one face, and to everyone you have one face. And sometime this side your boss and this side your servant. How you behave, just see in the mirror. For each one you have a different face. How you project you, that is outer image. How you project you and how you believe you will naturally be completely different. How many of you are able to understand? And then how others believe you, that will be totally different. This is X, that is Y, that is Z. This X angle means that is Y angle, that is C angle. How you believe you is inner image. How you project you is outer image. How others believe you is others' image. How many of you feel, why should I bother about what others think about me? Raise your hand. But your food comes from others. Do you know that? As long as you have something to be done by others, you need to bother about their image about you. If your food or pleasure is from others, Sonu, settle down. If your food, Deepak, sorry, always have this. If your food or pleasure, something you like comes from others, something you dislike also comes from others, but you don't want that to come even then. You need to take responsibility for others' image. You can't say, why should I bother about others' image? Then, okay, then you should be in the forest. At least with whom you committed your life, with whom you share your life, their image matters. Their image matters because your image, the image you carry about them matters for them. Then naturally the image they carry about you matters for you. Understand? You can't say, why should I care about others' image? As long as they are the source of what you want and what you don't want. As long as they have some reins of your life, vested interest in your life, you cannot brush the whole thing aside, saying, why should I bother about what others think of me? Because they can continue, make you think about them 24 hours. Sometimes one word, one action, by one word, if somebody makes you think about them for 10 minutes, you can call them as parents. If somebody is making you think 24 hours without even a word, it's called spouse. I can go on giving definition. Others' image. You have to take the responsibility for others' image because you committed your life with them. They committed their life with you. Fourth, very important thing. What you believe as life and others. How you believe, not desire. How you believe others and life is going to behave with you, treat you. That is life image. Listen. How you believe life is going to treat you. Listen. All of you believe and desire about life. Your desire about life is name and fame and success. But if you deep down look in, you believe always collapsing defamation. When it collapsing defamation, you can visually see. When it comes to success, fame, big, you can't even grasp in your imagination. How many of you have this problem? When you think of your collapse, which is very strong, very clear, the scenes will come and the churning will happen from here to here. Butterfly is different, butterfly is different. Butterflying is different. That is churning. Butterfly is different. Butterflying is different. When you churn, only butter flies. The butter will be flying from here to here when you think of the collapse, because such powerful belief and visualization manifests. But when it comes to success, the picture is not that so strong. How many of you are able to understand what I am saying? The visualization is not that strong. So, you desire success, but you believe failure. You desire success, but you believe failure. How you believe life is going to treat you is life image. Now, I am not asking you to write your desire about your inner image. No, I am asking you to write your belief about your inner image. The strong beliefs, visualizations you carry about your inner image is your depth. Pen down that. Listen first. Strong beliefs you carry about your outer image. Pen down that. Strong beliefs you carry about others' image. Pen down that. Strong beliefs you carry about life image. Pen down that. Because this is the foundation from which your life is projected. This is the foundation from which, this is the magnetic field of you, which attracts incidents, persons, situations in your life. Listen, all of us have certain magnetic field, which attracts persons, situations, things necessary. People come and tell me, world is so bad. All my relationships are abusive, Swamiji. Understand, if one relationship is abusive, you can blame that person. If all are abusive, you need to look into the energy, magnetic field you are generating, the magnetic field you are carrying, the belief you are manifesting need to be questioned. Let's first dig out the belief you are carrying in the system. The belief, what you believe as your inner image, what you believe as your outer image, what you believe as others' image, and what you believe as life image. Pen down. Genesis of your identity, worksheet, assignment sheet. You carry about inner image, outer image, others' image, life image. In Sanskrit, mamakara, ahankara, anyakara, swanyakara. What you desire as your inner image, pen down. Listen. You wrote what you believe. Now what you desire, what you want, that inner image, what do you want, that outer image, what do you want, that other's image, what do you want, that life image. Pen down. Best 4 images you want. Assignment sheet, best 4 images. The inner image you want to have, outer image you want to have, others image you want to have, life image you want to have. Pen down. Too quickly finish writing and no really, see, what do you want should be elaborate detail, na? Only then I can make that into reality. See, what do you want should be actually elaborately visualized. I think you guys are not visualizing it. Usually this is not the time people take. Maybe I want you guys to read once more what you wrote and go for elaborate visualization. Because what you want, you never visualized elaborately. You always believed it is not going to happen. You are not visualizing elaborately now, I think. I'm really surprised you guys are too quick. Too quick in the right thing. In the wrong way, actually. So please read and think whether you can elaborate something more. Then I'll move to the next step. Session.